Welcome back to MrYouWho, and here again. Great to have you back with us today. Guys, I'm really excited to be reviewing the OpenRock by Oneodio. Now, why we're so excited to be reviewing this is we heard that Oneodio had released an open-ear headphone into the marketplace. And we're really excited because we hadn't actually reviewed one of these before. It's a unique technology we hadn't actually seen. So when they said that they had a unique sports headphone that could sit on the ear, that wasn't the ear canal, that could be used great for sport, out and about, was IPX5, had great battery life. We're really excited to be reviewing it. And in today's review today, we're going to show you exactly how the headphones work. So we're going to start by doing an unboxing. You can see what comes in the box, have a look at some of the key features, how the build is, what it looks like. We'll then go out and actually turn it on and show you how the comfort is. So we'll put on our ears, show you how flexible it is, show you how it is to work, show you how good it is to be there. We'll then go test it out, use it actually at the gym, running, cycling, testing out microphones on a busy road. So you guys can actually see what it's like to use these headphones actually out and about. You see, MrYouWho loves to use his products out to show you guys exactly what it's like. We'll then go and do a sound test so you can see what it sounds like. Again, you're going to find this fantastic sound in these headphones. And finally, we'll give you what our review and our final thoughts are. But 19 hours with the headphones, 46 hours with the case, which is fantastic. They're comfortable, as you can see there. They look really, really good. That sits on the ear. It comes with dual microphones. It's water resistance, IPX5. Bluetooth 5.2. It's got great sound, very, very adjustable. You're actually going to love these, so I can't wait to get in there and review them. If you want to purchase these as well, there's links in the description below where you can purchase it. But anyway, we won't do any longer. We'll jump in and have a look at the review. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for joining us here at MrYouWho. Okay, let's take a look at the Oneodio OpenRock Pro Sports Earbuds. Now, as you can see, here's the box. Now, it looks quite like a nice box as well. There's some of the different categories, of course, it has. There on the back are some of the key features as well, which we're going to go into shortly. We'll jump in and have a look at what comes in the box. So we'll take a look. Now, it feels good quality straight away. You can see they spent a bit of time in getting the packaging right. And here's the box open. So there's the instruction book, how to wear, and a bit about the user manual. Now, we'll go through how to use all these now, so you won't have to worry about that too much. Put that to the side. Now, quite straightforward, comes in the box. You've got the case, and you've also got the USB-C charger in there. So again, USB-C charger. Now, here's the case. Now, as you can see, it's quite, compared to normal, it's a fairly bulky box, a case. Now, if you put it there towards my hand, there it is there, and it's about that, that thick. Now, it still would fit in your pocket, would definitely fit into your sports bag. But I guess it's a way they've got to charge the earbuds. To be honest, I'd still be able to use this out and about. Now, on the back, or on the kind of on the side back, there's USB-C charging, and there's how you turn them on, and also how you pair the earbuds. Now, go take a look. Now, as you can see, feels quite good quality. Now, we'll take a look and open up. So you've got the little case thing there. You open up, you press that, and it opens up the case. So there are the headphones there. Now you can see the reason for the case is obviously because the headphones, you can't bend these. See how they fit onto the ears? Let's go take a look at these. So the case, magnetic clip, it clips in magnetically. So see, they don't fall out when you use them. Looks actually really, really nice. I love the design. Let's go take a look at the headphones themselves. So I haven't seen these kind of headphones, to be honest, before. We did the Endurance Peak 2 reviews where they had a similar kind of clip over the ears. But these use air conduction technology, so the actual sound comes through from that into your ears. Now, they use their own unique sound. They do come with 16.2mm drivers. Now, that gives a good sound. They've also got audio decoding, aptX and AAC as well, which is really, really good. Now, these only weigh 13 grams each, and it comes 90 grams with the case as well. Now, we'll go and have a look in details. Now, up close, thing I love with these is you can use all the controls from their headphones. So you see there, you can actually change and toggle tracks there as well. It also comes with 2 microphones in each headphone there. So you can see there, the microphone comes there, as well as the sound comes through, so people can hear you directly when you're talking. Now they do come with IPX5 as well, which is good. So they're very much water splash resistant if you're out and about. You can see there the style of them as well. They feel quite nice. Now you can move them as well. See, there's the sound comes through. Now you can move them as well, so you can move them around a bit. They sound not to move them too much, but the good thing is they're adjustable depending on your ears, so you can wear them. So, which is good. Now the noise microphones do have noise cancelling technology in them as well. Now they come with 19 hours in the headphones, would you believe? So 19 hours charging these, which is fantastic if you're running out about using them for sport. They're charged within 5 minutes. You get an hour's charge with the case, and you get a couple of charges in the case as well, which is really good as well. So if you're doing a marathon, you could actually use these, and they'd work really well too. So Bluetooth 5.2 again, and they've got the OpenRock TubeBass technology as well. Now we're going to explore a minute about how good the sound in these, but they've done a fantastic job with producing such fantastic quality sound with these headphones. Now, they do say the sound is noise cancelling. To be honest, when I had the sound up higher, I couldn't hear the traffic around. We'll do a test on that in a minute, but there is the sound. Now, they are very, very comfortable as well. So if I go a bit closer there, so I'm just going to move that back out. See how they're not too heavy? They're not way too much. But I love how you can do the functions all on the headphones as well. With a lot of phones, you have to go back to your phone to change them. With this, you can change tracks, change songs, turn it up and down. Works really, really well. And again, because the sound's coming from here, it's not going to damage your ears as well. So anyway, we're going to go and explore in a minute how to actually use the functions and use controls. But there you go. The OpenRock Oneodio looks really good. Okay, so how comfortable are the OpenRock Oneodio sports headphones to use? Well, as you can see, you take them out of the case like so. Now you open them up. Now to put them over your ears, it's like this. So you see the hook there. So you get it over your ear like so, and you just basically, I don't know if I can show you that correctly, but you just hook it over like that. See how it sits just there in your ear? So get the other one as well, just here. Go and get it, and again the same thing. You put it over your ear. Now the headphones themselves, you can actually move around, so they do actually bend and move. They say not to do it too much, obviously, to make sure. Now, putting on my ears, straight away, you can feel how comfortable that feels. They sit there, and they're not moving around at all, which is really, really good. Now, we're going to go and show you shortly about what they like to use for sports. We're going to use them at the gym, we're going to use them running, so you can see how good the headphones are. But straight away, they fit very, very, very well, which is good. They just sit there nicely on their head. And now, because they use the air conduction technology, don't know if you can see there, but they don't, the sound sits just outside your ears. See there? So the music goes just in through the speaker there. So it's not actually going into your ear canal directly like other headphones do, which is really, really good. It will stop your ears from getting sore from using music for a long period of time. Other great thing as well is all the functions are on the back there. So underneath they have a, if you can see that just there, you've got the, so you can actually use that to go and change tracks, select songs. So you press it 3 times, it will call Google Assistant or Amazon or Siri, for example. You press it once, you can answer calls. Twice, you can change calls. You can use volume down, volume up by using it, or change tracks for each one as well. So the great thing is you can use the headphones out when you're out and about actually exercising, which works really well. As you can see, very, very comfortable. Now again, IPX5, so if you get sweating or if you run into the weather, they will actually work quite well for you too, which is good. So I love the unique technology with these guys. I haven't actually seen anything like it before. Again, we did the Endurance Peak 2, but these feel, I say, probably a lot more comfortable. Anyway, go out now and jump out and actually use them at the gym, use them running. Like other videos, I actually like to show you how the headphones actually work. Then we're going to go and talk about the noise cancelling. Got to take on a busy road and see if I can actually hear other people in the conversation, if they can hear me. Then I'm going to come back and talk a bit more about how great the sound is. But with the patterned sound, you're actually going to love how good the bass is for these, for example. They're actually really good. So let's go and jump in and do it right now. Now here I'm talking on a busy bridge, and as you can see with the 4 microphones and the ENC technology, it really does block out the external noise so people can hear me fine. I can also hear people fine out the end, even with the background noise in the background. Sounds very, very good, clear sound. You could quite easily use these if you're commuting, if you're out and about. Very, very good for noise. Here I am using it at the gym, and as you can see, they don't move at all in the ears, and they feel very, very comfortable. And the great thing is, you can't hear the external noise of the gym as well with the headphones. They're very clear, and they feel very, very stable as well. And because they're sweat resistant as well, you can use them when you're running like I am just now, and they don't move. And as you can see, again, they're not bouncing at all in the ears. This is also shown again here where I'm skipping. They don't move in the ears, feel very comfortable. You can use these for all kinds of sport. They're really, really good. Oh, sorry, I got caught away with the music. The OpenRock headphones have fantastic music. Well, that's down to the 16.2mm drivers, which really pack a punch. They've also generated their own technology through it as well. So the OpenRock TubeBass technology means that you're getting fantastic bass coming through from the headphones. So if you have a look at them there, so there's a speaker there on the headphones just there. And now that's what's pumping the music into your ear. Now, it uses open ear technology, which means it's not sitting in the eardrum, but it's funneling the music into your ears. And surprisingly enough, I was a little bit dubious about how good the sound would be with these, but the sound is fantastic. It really does pack a punch. And the beats are very, very good for headphones. The music's very clear. Just slip that back on there. And it sounds really good. And I think the guys have really worked hard to make sure the technology would work. Now, again, I haven't come across this again. So you've got good music, sitting in the ear, sits on the ear. The only thing I'd say is, as you saw when I did the review when I was out there, you can hear a bit of traffic coming through, even though it's got some built-in noise cancelling technology. But you turn it up, you can still hear it clearly, and you don't get the sore ears from having sound happening a lot of time as well. It's really, really good. Again, I listen to London house music, dance, rock, jazz, a bit of hip-hop. You know MrYouWho likes all different types of musics, and again, it sounded really, really good. So the sound is good. Very impressive. I would say it works quite well. It's up there with some of the better headphones I've actually listened to. So the guy's done well. Again, yeah, and you can turn it up quite loud as well. I know some people on MrYouWho like to have their sound very, very loud. This went to as loud as I could handle, to be honest, as well. So guys, great job. Fantastic sound. You know, it sounds really well. Really good. Well done. Well, wow, how was that? The OpenRock by Oneodio is a fantastic pair of sports headphones. As you could see, using them out and about, they worked really well. They worked well when I was at the gym, when I was running, skipping. They felt fantastic and they sounded fantastic too. The guys have created a fantastic piece of technology here with it. They really are good. And I guess the key thing is, even with the 19 hours in the headphones, you can go on marathons, you can go on basically most of the way to London from Australia. You can still get the music from them. The sound quality was fantastic. They sat really well in the ears. You know, they sounded good, felt good. They're really good for calls as well. The guy's done a fantastic job and we really do recommend them. So make sure if you like these, jump in the description below. You can purchase them. The headphones really are good. They sound good as well. And they're going to be what MrYouWho's going to be using in the future when he's out and about, using them for exercise. Anyway, for future purchases, links below. Make sure you let us know what you think of the OpenRock by Oneodio. And make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks again for joining us here at MrYouWho.